Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Kraken app for secure trading and deposits step by step clearly. Begin by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone, select the App Store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar of the App Store, type Kraken. Press enter or tap the search icon. Look for the Kraken app in the search results. Ensure that the app is developed by Kraken Digital Asset Exchange. Tap on the app to view its details. Now, look for the download or install button. Tap on this button to start the download process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, find the Kraken app on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. Upon opening, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Follow the prompts to create a new account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Verify your email if prompted to do so. After verification, log in to your newly created account. You may be asked to provide additional information for security purposes. Fill in the required details as prompted. Once your account is set up, navigate to the trading section. Here, you can explore various cryptocurrencies available for trading. To make deposits, go to the funding section within the app. Select the appropriate cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your deposit. Ensure that you double-check all details before confirming any transactions. You are now ready to start trading securely with the Kraken app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.